making this video for anyone who's ever got to obtain a CRC code on a file to verify the legitimacy of that file or to find out exactly what it is. In my Yoshi and Sonic the Hedgehog 2 video, I showed you guys a ROM that was Sonic the Hedgehog 2 World Region Revision B, and I was actually using this ROM right here, and that is what it is. But the text on this ROM is complete bullshit, and I'll show you how I know that. Now, this one, sth2.md, is just a copy of that file. File names don't affect CRC code, but file contents do. So, this is the CRC32 code. We're going to take this and go straight to the web browser. Sonic the Hedgehog 2 World Region Revision B, not USA. So I know that whoever dumped that file was completely full of crap, and it was actually World Revision, not USA Revision. I've got a cheat sheet here for all the popular CRC methods in Linux, and I'm going to go ahead and post it in the description for CRC32 and SHA threesome. You actually have to install things, but for MD5, SHA1, and SHA256, you don't have to install anything. I just want to say that's not me in the wallpaper. I go to perchance.org, free AI image generator, to get whatever video thumbnails I need for my videos, and then I go to this upscale app. As long as you have Vulkan drivers, this thing is amazing what it can output. Nobody is paying me to say any of that. This is just good free stuff you can use. Well, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your views, and you guys have a great day.